Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, guys. And Aries, today for your moon energies, today we will be picking one card. And this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs, guys, Aries. And if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Tower in reverse, Eight of Wands in reverse, and Hermit in reverse, Aries. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are thinking about something and you are trying to avoid something, guys. Maybe you feel that if you are really careful, extremely careful and attentive, you are going to avoid some circumstances. Maybe something in your work or in your personal life, you want to avoid some difficulties, maybe some misunderstandings you have. So you are trying to be more careful, trying to be more attentive and handle things in a very calm and composed way, Aries. And you are a determined person. So whatever you think or whatever you plan for yourself, you stand by that, guys. So today in your circumstances, some kind of confusion may be there, something is changing, something coming towards you, some changes, something you may not like. But you are facing these challenges with that brave heart, and you just want to be really careful. You are trying to avoid some difficult circumstances unfolding. And maybe in this relationship, the way things are going today, the reasons maybe this person you are in relationship with, they feel that they have done something wrong or they are guilty for something. Maybe they have done some mistakes and they are really guilty, and that may be the reason for the way they are behaving today with you. So they cannot tell you, or they do not feel free to tell you what was their mistake or whatever they have done, and they are hiding something, and that is really causing a lot of problems in this relationship. Maybe if they tell you what is the reason for their actions, what is the reason for their words, and what is the reason for their hurt, you can help them. And maybe you are not the reason for this trouble, guys. Maybe they are thinking of their past, or they have not healed from their past completely. That may be the reason they feel this way towards you or towards this love. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Chariot. So definitely good changes are coming in this relationship, guys. Maybe all that misunderstanding or troubles you have, or maybe this person not feeling so free to tell you, whatever it is, you will move away from this difficult circumstance, and you will know what is the right thing, or this person will know what is the right thing to do today, guys, Aries. So for your career situation, Aries, we have Knight of Cups in reverse. So maybe in your work situation, there is some kind of news coming your way, an opportunity coming in your situation, but you need to be careful because it may look like something lucrative, something good, but there may be a harsh truth behind that, and you need to be really careful today, Aries, if you want to avoid something drastic happening in your circumstances. So, for your moon energies today, guys, we have South Node. Don't let your past hold you back. So, a very apt card. So, for what we saw, maybe we were speaking about that past energy, maybe you have not healed enough. So, this may not be your present past, maybe it may even be the past of another lifetime, guys. Some kind of intentions or something subconsciously influencing you, holding you back. Maybe you feel stuck, suffocating today, unable to think clearly or make that right choice. Maybe for some of you, you are having an unhealthy attachment towards something because you feel that being like this, continuing this way is good for you. But you need to change, guys. This change may look like something really difficult on your part, something really difficult for you to understand, but if you do not change, it is going to be really difficult and toxic to continue the same way in this situation, guys. So it may be your energy in your relationship or in your career situation. So whatever needs to be done, you should go for it. That changes, you must go for it, and you must give up that unhealthy attachment or obsession you have over something, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way or what is influencing their actions or words. What is the motivation behind that? We never have any idea. So, we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So, when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So, we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.